Hi, PK Claus here. This is a disposal cleaner product from Active. They sent us this product to review, and we're going to do just that. They come with 24 tablets. You're supposed to do it twice a month. This is a 1-year supply in this box, and they come in these little pods right here. It cleans, deodorizes, refreshes, and protects. They're simple to use. Just open the little package. Maybe. Okay, maybe not so simple to open, but it's got the white side and the orange side. And you just put it in your disposal right here. Goes plop. Gotta push it down a little bit. Make sure it goes all the way down. Turn on your water because you don't want to start your garbage disposal without the water going.
Make sure it's the hot water too.
And we're going to turn this on for a moment. It's a little loud, but garbage disposals are loud. And let it get all crushed up until it's not crushing it up anymore. And it seems like it's done crushing it up. And our garbage disposal should be nice and clean now.